In this video, I'm going to show you how to add stopwatch to control center on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you are an athlete or you use your stopwatch very often, you don't need to scroll through the app menu to select the stopwatch, since you can easily add it to the control center. So if at the end of this video you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, all you just need to do is set the control center just like this. Then go to the control page where you want to add the stopwatch, press and hold it. Then click on add a control. Here, search for stopwatch or scroll down to locate it. Here you can see the stopwatch. Click on that. Then once you selected the stopwatch, it will be added to boot control. You can just drag it down here. You can use this button to expand it. Just press and hold it like this. Then to expand the stopwatch like this. So that is it. So that's how you can easily add stopwatch to control center on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.